Alright, her vacuuming. I'm just recording because if she vacuums at fucking 3 hours. Because she did the one day, I thought, oh, she's gonna vacuum at 6. And then she vacuumed at like, I forget what it was, but it was like close to 10. So, can't trust her. Can't trust her. Can't trust her ever. To be a decent person. And she just paradise. Doesn't always have palm trees. Corona, la playa noise. There's a Harbor Freight store in your neighborhood where we sell hard-working tools that always work for any pro or DIY budget. You see, we treat neighbors like, well, neighbors. Harbor Freight, close by when you need us. So I went to the bathroom and my pee was green. Pretty neat, huh? I was wondering who shreked in the toilet. So what's your podcast about? Personal mysteries, Daniel. Occasional restaurant reviews. Maybe I could check it out sometime. Really? Yeah. The show goes like 40 minutes and 40 minutes. Hey, it's so cool. Really fresh. But you know, do you want to be my lab partner? Well, I don't think we're going to be doing any labs, but yeah. Yeah, I'm sure I'd love to. All right. Well, this is me. Dirt farmer now? Yeah, he was my grandfather. No, I don't. So you're just gonna walk in? Are you recording me? Yeah, just in case your body feels part of a tiny piece, so I didn't keep it recording. All right. Bye. It's the weather or she does some fucking bullshit. There's a deal because of her. Shouldn't have to do it like this. Because they want to play fucking stupid games or whatever. This doesn't mean she's not gonna vacuum later. That's why we have to fucking record it. I'm not gonna record the whole thing. I'll just tell you later if she vacuums. If she vacuumed the whole fucking apartment, because it's just a waste of my space on my phone. And I have to keep it until after 10. Just tired of this fucking bullshit. Like, my kitchen is still a disaster zone because of her. Running water I don't know how Debbie could have looked at how much water was there and been like, oh, she was just doing dishes. Which I just feel like she knows she wasn't doing that, but she's just not gonna, like, I don't know. It was like, it flooded everywhere. She was doing dishes. Yeah, she might have done dishes and then she ran the water to fucking heat the apartment. For 20 minutes, I was trying to get a hold of someone to make it stop. And then how long after it? So she was running the water for, I mean, I have it in my phone. I took screenshots of the times I was calling her, calling the police, knocking on Ron and Gail's door. I was doing everything I could to get a hold of someone to get it to stop. And she wants, like, me to, like, go knock upstairs for people, like, who's been bullying me. She never apologized for the crap she's been doing. She just played victim. And that's why I didn't want to be bothered with this, because she just plays victim. She acted like she dropped a soda. Oh, honey, you're dropping a soda, like, every day then, and several times a day. She's just a liar. I don't want to have a fucking meeting with narcissists why I'm by myself. I want my lawyer who's looked at my evidence. That's what I want. Following me around like some fucking psycho. Like, I'm gonna state this again. No problem with her vacuuming right now. None. If she did this, like, every day, this would be fine. But the problem is, she's probably not gonna do this. She's probably gonna fucking vacuum again at freaking thing.
Geometry, that's safe. Science is all particle accelerators and hydrogen
The only reason she hasn't is she's been out. And I really thought, like, I don't know if it was last night or the night before, she was gonna vacuum at, like, I think she thought about it, like, close to 11 o'clock or after 11. She's done that before too. I have recorded somewhere. There's just so much fucking video. It's just insane. I'm on vacuum. She's still vacuuming in here. Somehow I think she'll still do it at 10 o'clock. Yes, she did. Because I uploaded it.
What the hell is that? Can I get it? Yes, please. Don't do that again. Hi. Hello again. You brought them home. It's a service I provide. Alright. Well, I'm also an escort. I came with home. Yep. Look, the truth is I've always kind of wondered what lurked inside this hot box. Right. Well, the only thing lurking inside here is my slowly dying soul. Is that what that smell is? Well, it's not dinner, so. Would you? Sure. Like? Yeah. How many? 5. Sure. Great. Great.
Like, she could do this, but she doesn't. Like, it's 6 o'clock. After 6. It's still kind of late, but it's not 10 o'clock at fucking night. And she does do this sometimes, and then she still vacuums at 9 o'clock at night. So, you can hear it. Drew, I've had it with you getting up and down. Don't drink too much because then you're gonna have to pee and it's terrible out. Just drink what you need. I swear to God, Drew has been so good the last couple days, and it was nice. So I took her out, and she was like, even yesterday, she was kind of like, didn't feel like it, and then today it's horrible out, and she's just like driving me crazy. Like, I was hoping, like, taking her out for 2 days, she would be like chill. No, can't do that. It's terrible out. It's not as bad as they said, but we still got another day. Go. And settle down. Go. Goofy. It's horrible. It's been a horrible winter to have a dog. And we'll slam on the floor at the end. And that she's not going into another room directly. I bet you we're going to be vacuuming later, so let's do time and date right now. Like $50 says she's going to vacuum at 9 something.